Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set or change the virtual background on Zoom mobile app. So in here, I've already opened the Zoom apps on my phone, and this is a 2024 update, so it might be different from your Zoom in the past because now there's no direct uh feature where you can change the virtual background on Zoom. So this is I'm going to start by clicking on new meeting and start a meeting in here, and just wait until the meeting is open, the meeting page.